Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical Thinker. In this video, I'll show you how to install 3 IP cameras using a PoE switch and an NVR. This setup is simple, reliable, and perfect for homes, offices, shops, or warehouses. Let's begin. Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon. First, connect your NVR to a monitor using an HDMI or VGA cable so you can view the live video and configure the system. Next, connect the LAN port of the NVR to the PoE switch using a standard Ethernet cable. Now, connect the router to the PoE switch. This allows your NVR and cameras to access the internet, making remote viewing possible from your smartphone. After that, connect each IP camera to one of the PoE ports on the switch using Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cables. The PoE switch provides both power and data through a single cable, so you don't need a separate power adapter for each camera. Once all the cameras are connected, power on the NVR, PoE switch, and router. The NVR should automatically detect the cameras. If it doesn't, simply go to the camera management menu and add them manually. After the cameras appear online, you'll be able to see live video on the monitor. You can also install the manufacturer's mobile app to watch your cameras remotely from anywhere. This type of installation is easy to expand. If you need more cameras in the future, simply connect them to additional PoE ports or use a larger PoE switch. And that's it! Your 3 IP camera system with a PoE switch and NVR is now fully installed and ready to record. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more CCTV installation guides and security system tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.